Alright guys, let's continue on with our week 5, day 4, part 2 video. Number 1, Bonnie's backpack has a mass of 10 kilograms. She removes 2 large hardcover books that each have a mass of 2 kilograms. What is the mass of Bonnie's backpack now? And our little friend says, don't forget to label your answer. Are you finding the total mass in grams or kilograms? So, let's start from the beginning. So she has her backpack that weighs 10 kilograms. And then it says she removes 2 large hardcover books that each have a mass of 2 kilograms. That means book number 1 weighs 2 kilograms and book number 2 weighs 2 kilograms. So she's removing these books. Are we adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? We are subtracting. We're taking it away. So each one weighs 2 kilograms, so book 1 weighs 2 kilograms, and book 2 weighs 2 kilograms. How much has she removed? 4 kilograms. Good. Can't find my little mouse, so here we go. So we're going to subtract 4. 10 take away 4 is 6. Good job. So what is the mass of Bonnie's backpack now? And of course, you can show your work right here. I just put mine over here so it's easier for you guys to see. 6. And like our friend said, don't forget to label your answer. Kilograms. Number 2. Patricia buys 2 baskets of fruit. One has a mass of 13 kilograms. The other has a mass of 24 kilograms. What is the difference in mass between the 2 fruit baskets? Alright, so our friend says, what does it mean to find the difference between 2 numbers? So remember, when we're talking about math, what does difference mean? It means to subtract. So we're going to subtract 24 and 13. And again, I'm going to do this in expanded form. So 24 in expanded form is 20 plus 4. 13 is 10 plus 3. Oops. Subtracting. All right. 4 take away 3 is 1. 20 take away 10 is 10. And of course, we have to combine these back together. So 10 plus 1 would give us 11. So what is the difference in mass between the 2 fruit baskets? 11 kilograms. Always want to have our unit of measurement. Alright, it says a basketball has a mass of 600 grams. What is a good estimate for the mass of a large balloon? So it says, how is a basketball like a balloon? How is it different? Well, we both know balloons and basketballs are round. But they're different because if you think about it, a balloon is really light. I know we've all played with them at parties. You know, you throw them up, you can toss them. Super light. If you get hit by one on accident, they don't hurt. Basketball, on the other hand, is a whole lot heavier. If you throw it and you get hit, it's probably going to hurt. So if a basketball weighs 600 grams, let's look. So we have 10 grams. That could be a choice. 60 grams. That could be a choice. 100 grams, maybe. Or 600 grams. Which one could we get rid of? D. We can get rid of 600 grams. We know that a basketball and a balloon do not weigh the same amount. A balloon is much, much lighter. So we would not have it be 600 grams because they wouldn't equal the same. What about C? We can get rid of C as well because, again, there's a big weight difference between a basketball and a balloon. So now we're left with 10 grams and 60 grams. So remember, a balloon is very, very light. So which one do you think would be a better estimate, 10 grams or 60 grams? If you said A, you are correct. Last page. Number 4. Erin had 900 grams of blueberries. She used 60 grams to make muffins, and she ate 90 grams with her cereal. How many grams of blueberries did she have left? So it says, I can think of 2 different ways to solve this problem. So we got a couple steps we have to do in here. So she starts off with 900 grams. Then she used 60. So if she got rid of 60 grams, what operation would we use? Subtraction. Good job. So we can do 900. Take away, remember we want to line our numbers up correctly, 60. And if we use the little trick I taught you, we take away 1 from each, we would have 899 minus 59. This all works out the same way. Just no regrouping involved. Remember this trick, guys. Ms. Nelson taught me this. All right, so when you see her, let her know. Ms. Anderson taught us how to subtract with 2 zeros. She taught us the trick. 9 take away 9 is 0. 9 take away 5 is 4. And then 8 take away nothing is 8. All right, we're not done yet though, guys, because it says, and she ate 90 grams with her cereal. So now she got rid of 90 grams. So now we have 840. And she ate 90. So now we got rid of 90 grams. All right, 0 take away 0 is 0. All right, 4 take away 9. Remember, my 4 is on top, so I have to start with that. So if I have 4 cookies, can I take 9 away? Nope. So what do I need to do? Go to my neighbor and borrow. So 4 now becomes 14. 8 is now 7. 14, take away 9. 5. 7, take away nothing is 7. So how many grams of blueberries does she have left? 750 grams. Number 5, a fruit salad recipe uses 150 grams of grapes, 250 grams of oranges, and 50 grams of strawberries. How many grams of fruit do you need to make 2 fruit salads? And our friend said this problem definitely has more than one step. We got a lot of steps in here. So we know that 1 fruit salad calls for 150 grams of grapes, 250 grams of oranges, and 50 grams of strawberries. That's 1 fruit salad, but they want to know, well, what about 2? So the first thing we need to do is figure out how many grams of fruit we need for just 1 fruit salad. So we're going to add our numbers together. So we have 150 plus 250. Zero plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So remember, put my 0 down. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. All right, but then I also have my 50 grams of strawberries, so I need to add that in. Zero plus 0. 0 plus 5. 4 plus something is 450. So 1 fruit salad equals, or uses 450 grams of fruit. So now if we wanted to know what 2 fruit salads would be, we would add 450 2 times. So now I want you to pause this video and find your answer. Figure out what 450 added twice gives you. All right, if you said 900 grams, you are correct. If you said 900 and didn't put your grams on there, please make sure you do. Last question for today. It says Joanne bought 540 grams of strawberries. She was able to make 9 same-size smoothies with the berries. How many grams of strawberries did she use for each smoothie? Circle the letter of the correct answer. And our friend says, I would think about multiplying to figure this out. Okay, so let's see. So if we multiply 9 times one of these numbers, it should give us 540. So if we do 9 times 10, that gives us 90. All right, 9 times 50. What I want you to do is you can go through these, multiplying them on your own and see which one gives you the answer of 540. All right, pause the video now to give you some time to figure these out. All right, if you solved all of these, you should have seen that 9 times 60 gives us 540, and that is the answer we were looking for. So, how many grams of strawberries did she use for each smoothie? 60 grams. All right, so now it says, Kayla chose B as the correct answer. How did she get that answer? All right, so if you remember when we did our problems earlier, see if I can find it. Here we go. When we had our numbers, we kind of broke them up to make it easier. So maybe if when Kayla did it, she might have said that, so she might have done 9 times 5 times 10, because of course 10 times 5 equals 50. She might have thought that 9 times 5 is 54 instead of 45. And then she did times 10, which gave her 540 instead of 450, which we know is not correct. So what we can say is we're going to say just what we demonstrated here. So Kayla, when multiplying 9 times 50, Kayla might have thought that 9 times 5 equals 54. Nine times 5 equals 54. And when she multiplied that by 10, she got 540. 9 times 5 equals 45, not 54. Okay, so that's really what we said before. It's simply she got her numbers confused. She got them mixed up, which sometimes that happens. It's okay. But that's why it's also important to always, always, always check your work. All right, guys, we are done for today. If you need to, you can pause the video to give you some time to write this out. When you are done, make sure you complete your exit ticket that is found in the video description. And then you get on iReady Math for 15 to 20 minutes today. Don't forget, we want to make it into the 375 Club and be in the top 5 for our class. 3rd grade rocked it out last week and was at the top of their game with iReady. Let's do it again. Let's blow them out the water and show them who's best when it comes to iReady. See you later.